Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your email account in Canva. So the first step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com and this will lead you to a home page of a Canva website. Here on the top right corner, you can see your email displayed photo here. Now simply click on it. After that, you can see an option here which says add another account. Click on it. Now you can choose your account directly from your Google or through your Facebook, or you can continue with email. Click on it. Now type in your new email address that you want to add in Canva. After that, you have to type in your name that you want for your Canva account and click on continue. Now you receive a verification code on your email ID that you have just provided. Simply reach out to your email and copy the code from your email address and paste it here. Here I have received mail and this is my code. So simply copy this code and in Canva paste that code here. Following this simple and easy step, you have successfully changed your email address in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.